Siete pronti per un'altra parola catalogisa? Allora, parola hoy, today's Sicilian word is assettati. What does it mean? It means sit down. In Italian, we say siediti. I want to thank you all. I really want to thank you all because I see the outpour of support. I see the outpour of enjoyment. I'm bringing a little bit of joy to everybody's day, which is very satisfying for me. We are at 359 subscribers on YouTube, Italiani di Montreal e Amici. Thank you all very much for your support. Continue watching, continue telling your friends, your families to subscribe so we can get to an even bigger number. I want to encourage you also, if you're local, if you're from Montreal, if you're going to be in Montreal, buy your tickets to our next gala. Our next gala will be October 25th, benefiting Cedars Cancer Foundation as well as the Lighthouse. The Lighthouse is a center for palliative care children which need our help. So we all do this out of the bottom of our hearts. We volunteer our time, our efforts, our energy to a successful outcome of these events. And now I have a little homework for you guys. What do I want from you? Well, listen. We want to give you a tribute. We want to give you a tribute to all the cancer survivors out there, whether it's breast cancer, ovarian cancer, uterine cancer, prostate cancer. It doesn't matter. If you out there are a cancer survivor, send us your pictures. Send us your pictures so we can put them up the night of the gala as a backdrop to give you honor, to bring an homage, to show people, look at what our efforts are doing. We have survivors, and hopefully with the continued support of the community and yours and your participation, there won't be any more survivors. You know why? Because we are going to obliterate cancer. That's right. That's the goal, to find a cure for cancer so no one has to survive and no one has to suffer. So if you want to send in your pictures, send it to carmelotortolano@gmail.com. That's CarmeloTortolano@gmail.com. It's all one word. It's very long. So that's it, guys. I wish you a beautiful day. Bring out the sunshine that's in you. Show it to everyone. Share it with everyone. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.